To set up an email on your iPhone, first you'll need an email account. If you have an account already, feel free to skip to the next chapter. The Mail app on your phone does not create email accounts. To create an account, you'll use Safari to access a website and create an account there. You can choose your provider. The popular ones like Gmail or Outlook will work just fine. Follow the steps, create an email, and once you're done with that, you're ready to set up the Mail app on your phone. Once you open the Mail app, it'll ask for your email address. You'll usually be prompted to authenticate to your account and give the Mail app permissions to access your email. The authentication happens outside the Mail app, so you'll see a little browser window appear, and it'll ask for your account and password. Depending what email provider you're using, this might look slightly different, but generally speaking, the process is the same for all of them. I'm using Gmail, and during authentication, Gmail is asking me if I'd like to give iOS access to my account, and I can choose here what parts of my account I'm allowing my Mail app to access. After that, I'm taken back to the Mail app, and now I can choose what I'd like to sync from my Gmail account. I'm only using this for email, so I'll disable contacts and calendars. Then tap Save, and you're all done. Email providers like Gmail and Outlook also offer their own apps in the App Store, and sometimes using the dedicated app can give you access to more features. But using Apple's native Mail app allows you to connect multiple emails from multiple providers, allowing you to have all your inboxes in one place. And there you have it. If you want to configure your Mail app further, you can do it by going to Settings, Apps, and scrolling down to the Mail app. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and click that like button if this was helpful. It helps my small channel a lot. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you all in another video.